Hey guys, Rasmus back here with a 3-package mail day. I got one in from CNC or Clouts N Chara, as well as one from a big one from FootballCardsOnly, Michael, as well as some soccer cards from Annie Sui, or Sui Collector, as she wants to be known now. First out, Annie Sui, a lot of soccer cards from the new Champions League series from Panini Adrenaline. Lots of Malmö FF or Malmö FF. FF, yeah, it's F. Yeah, kind of. Some Sporting. Julian Draxler, Schalke, from Ajax, Arsenal, Monaco, Roma. I know a friend of mine wants that one. Real nice. We actually did a trade. I don't remember what I sent, but I asked, she wanted to trade me something, and I said, well, I could take some George Paros cards or something like that. So she tried to get one, but it didn't work out. Instead, she sent me some soccer cards, which I'm okay with. I like soccer. Next out, we got the one from CNC. I think this is, well, it might be a mini break or something like that. It's hockey. Tyler Toffoli. I'm not sure actually. It could be that I didn't get a hit in the mini, that I got this one instead. So that's it. Next one, as I said, from Michael over at Football Cards Only. I had almost forgotten about the trade we did, where he got the Alex Yarborough gold, and I don't even know what I asked for. So this could be really interesting. Trying to open it up there. It's a big old box with a bunch of peanuts. I like peanuts. Here's one. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here's two. And a third one. Oh man. Oh, I did not ask for all this, I can tell you that much. Two more there. Let's see. Oh, there's another one. Oh boy. That was a nice one. Oh. And another one. Let's see, Carlos Gomez on the back. That's always sweet. There's not a note or nothing like that. Let's check it out. Let's see here. Was there a note on these? I don't know. Do you have long hair, Michael? Or does your wife or man-wife have? Because here's something. Nah, I can't see it. No notes. So this could be fun. This could be, I was thinking about, it might be a 5-minute video or something, but this could be 10-15 minutes. So let me tell you about my day. Nothing. Let's hear, that was the back. That's some Blue Jays. Here's some Brewers. Tucker Newhouse from Panini Elite. Gallardo Gomez from Donruss. Aston, Ewan, Davis, Braun. That one I actually already have, but it's a cool card. Maybe I should check where I'm, yeah. Superstar Celebrations. Gene Segura, Ryan Braun, Lucroy, Kinsler, Nelson. That one I needed for my PC, so that's nice. Wei Chen Wang, Brendan Kinsler, Gomez, Braun, Weeks, and some Blue Jays. Damn, I messed up my shoulder today at work, so this was not a good idea. Bautista, DJ Davis, Ozuna, Encarnacion. I have no freaking idea. Aaron Hill, Bautista, Stroman, Jansen, Lind, Bautista, Laurie, Burns, Holiday, and Osuna. Nice. My boy Telquist is going to get those, in case he didn't know it already. Let's see here. Ah, some Mariners. What the? I guess Michael's hooking you up, guys. Mr. M801 Telquist. There's a lot of Mariners. I'm not going to read off all the names. Nice. Ichiro. That I might actually keep for myself. I like Ichiro. Oh, that's a cool die cut. Look at that. Sweet. Miller, Iwakuma. Bunch of nice cards. Cool. So those are going to be passed on. Or as my dear friend Big Fat Stack would say, piff, pay it forward. Let's see here, next one. It's a lot of cards. More brewskis! Love me some brewskis. Oh, this is awesome. Corey Hart. Fielder. Paul Coffey. Oh my god. Iserman. Forsberg. I actually hate Forsberg, but he's a Swede. Now that goalie I actually like. Grand Fuhrer. Nice. Messier. Brandon Morrow. Seattle. Stan Mikita. Oh, I better move the knife so that I don't cut myself. Next up, let's see here. What's this? Oh, nice. Purple Victor Sanchez. Not numbered, but still really cool looking. I actually don't like platinum, but this purple looked really good. Oh yeah. Walker. Felix Hernandez. That's a cool card. Fired up. Cano. That's a bunch of awesome cards. Richie Sexton. Awesome. Let's see here. There's 3 more stacks, guys. If you haven't already noticed, I'm saving what I presume are the main subjects of this trade, or whatever you want to call it. As I said, I had already forgotten about it, so it's all good. Oh, it's on Finest. What the hell are these? Nice. Bunch of Blue Jays. I wonder... I want to see some of the refractors of Finest, because when you like that, I gotta find another... What's the difference? Oh, okay, it's kind of greenish. So I get that. But the color refractors in Finest is stupid. The design is okay, but the refractors are, it's just silly. I can tell the difference. What the hell? Look at that. It's a little baby face. That was kind of funny, actually. 96. Oh yeah. Now he's old. Oh, let's see here. Oh, these are both Oh, that's nice. Let's check this out. Robinson Jose Mercedes Cano. Mercedes. Oh, this is awesome. Check this out. Harold Reynolds, number 125. That's cool. Brad Miller. Oh, nice, sick patches. Patch. That's really cool. Julio Morban. Oh, press proof, number 99. Or it could be 66 of 90, or it could be 6 of 99. You never know. Awesome. Those were some really cool cards. Oh, look at that. Another filthy patch. The patches from, or the jersey relic cards from Museum 2014 was, when you can get those out of 99, I mean, it's silly. But this is actually a 25. But you can get even more sick nastiness out of 99. That has some fillers. The $1 Million Chase! Woohoo! Who was it, by the way? Oh, Encarnacion. Cool. I might keep that for myself. Nah. Sweet. James Paxton. Nice looking. That's kind of cool auto, actually. I like that one. Edwin Diaz. Tanner Norton. That's cool. From our Brew Crew. Oh. At first I didn't like Pastime either, but it sure has grown on me. Even if this is just two plain jerseys. This is a nice looking card. Licensed or not, it's a sweet card. Another nice King Felix. Awesome. What do we have here? Oh boy. Carlos Gomez out of 25. That's nice. But I don't know what color it is. Could be red. Could be brownish, copper, purple, something. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very, very much for that awesome trade, Michael. You the man. Look at all these. That's sweet. That's just the hits, so to speak. Don't forget all the other damn bunch of cards. Check it. It's silly. I did not deserve all these, man. That was not a fair trade. I got way too much. Doink. So that's it. For those of you who have watched 13 minutes and more, I thank you all very, very much. Thanks again, Michael, for the trade. I'm going to pass these cards along to my buds over here in Sweden. And yeah. If you guys liked the video, like, subscribe, comment, or you can just do whatever you wanna. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.